On your Canada Revenue Agency My Account, the TFSA contribution room, what you see might not be the actual TFSA contribution room, what is available to you, and that's why this warning shows up. And I'll give you my own example of what my contribution room is and what is shown here. So that's why you will have to do your due diligence, and in case of doubt, you can always go and check this calculate your TFSA contribution room section, and here you see there is a how to calculate the room is given, and once you come down here you have a PDF worksheet which you can download. Now in my case I was eligible for TFSA contribution since 2019, and if you add up from 2019 to 2026 you'll see that it comes to 51,500. So if I have to rely on what is given here on the CRA website, I'll be losing some of the amount by not utilizing the full potential. Having said that, one has to do due diligence on what the TFSA contribution room is and don't solely rely on what is shown here. Hope this is helpful to you.